Situated in the heart of thriving Punggol Town Estate is Water Bay. A leasehold executive condominium strategically curated to fulfill a contemporary residential dream, while also offering adequate connectivity. Consisting of only 329 exclusive units, Water Bay's impressive facade is just the tip of the iceberg of what it has to offer. Additionally, it also serves as a gorgeous backdrop for the breathtaking marvels that manifest in the form of convenience, holistic habits, luxury living, and top-class architecture. Our feature is a 4-bedroom penthouse. Perched on the pinnacle of the block on the 17th floor, it overlooks the pool and boasts a quiet, unblocked view of the vicinity. A perk only centralized stacks in the estate get to enjoy. And if all this isn't fantastic enough, this unit has been reinforced with upgrades by the previous occupants, which enhance its beauty and value. Let's head inside with Home Central and see it for ourselves. If you have a love for lofty ceilings, then you're definitely in for a treat here. Instantly upon entry, the colossal height of the living and dining areas are bound to catch eyeballs. At a whopping 5.6 meters, it has had its walls reinforced with top-grade stone polymer composite and vinyl. On top of being aesthetically appealing, this also ensures increased durability as compared to other run-of-the-mill materials, such as wallpaper or paint. The same treatment is utilized for all the walls in the house. Follow me as we step into the balcony. As you can see, the previous owners have added a very practical touch here. These sliding shutters installed on the top half provide the option for privacy if desired. Otherwise, they shield and protect the interior from rainwater and excessive sunlight. Before making my way to the bedrooms, I'm halted momentarily by the gleaming stone polymer composite flooring that is congruent throughout the hall and rooms. Initial poor-grade laminate tiles that were supplied by the developer failed to impress the residents, and so they had decided to revamp it entirely. Now given a new lease of life, it effectively contributes to the warm and robust palette of the abode. All the rooms in this apartment are squarish and regular shaped to maximize space and allow for easy finishing. Just like in the hall, every bedroom has had its walls retouched with stylish, sturdy vinyl and comes with a built-in wardrobe courtesy of the developer, which encourages efficient storage function without hassle. The master bedroom is slightly larger and comes with its very own attached bathroom. A pleasant surprise lies in the kitchen. No, it's not that it's well equipped and abundant with everything one needs to serve up mouth-watering meals. Although that prospect is enough to spark joy and excitement, the real deal is in the form of the stairs that lead up to a magnificent roof terrace. Past the utility room and toilet, this has to be my favorite part of the house. Note that an anti-slip decking has been thoughtfully implemented on the steps to minimize the risk of accidents. The wide veranda you see here did not come as a package deal with the rest of the property. The owners had to go through a long and drawn-out process to obtain it, as it is notoriously difficult to get approval from BCA. For it to be built, they shelled out a hefty sum worth $40,000 inclusive of permits and waited painstakingly for the green light. To protect the place, even the walls here are fortified with stone polymer composite, favored due to its waterproof qualities. Hence, maintenance is a piece of cake and there is no need for frequent repainting of the outdoor structures to keep it looking fresh. Next to the sitting area, a luminescent pond glows from underfoot. It is at the height of its glory thanks to triple waterproofing stacked below a layer of Chango wood, then overlaid with more stone polymer composite and pond liner. Needless to say, this is a very high-quality pond that will not have its splendor surrendered to wear and tear. A renovation fee of about $25,000 has been invested into its guarantee. Residents can immerse themselves in a vast selection of facilities at Water Bay. You won't have to leave the estate grounds to get your daily fix of entertainment, relaxation, or exercise. In the immediate milieu, spoil yourself with the spread of amenities such as shops, supermarkets, eateries, clinics, and more. Some schools nearby include Edgefield Primary School, Punggol Secondary School, Oasis Primary School, Punggol View Primary School and Greendale Secondary School. A 6-minute stroll brings you to Cove LRT station where in no time you will be quickly transported to the destination of your choice. Otherwise, if driving is preferred, Water Bay is closely linked to the TPE, KPE and CTE, which will have you and where you like to be in a flash. Whether it's the glittering Orchard Road shopping belt, CBD for work, or just about anywhere else on the island. This treasure of a home is indeed a rare find given its all-rounded advantages and added benefits thanks to its previous occupants. So contact Home Central at 9799-7955 now before your hesitation turns into regret. Home Central, because your home is central to us.
If you like our video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and see you next time.